Oh my god. That was a fat rock.
Okay, I'm waiting outside of my house right now for a friend to come. He hasn't seen this car yet, so this will be the first time he's seen it, but his name is Ryan. He was actually the one who helped me install the front bumper a while ago with Johnny. So I'm excited to show this to him. This is probably the dirtiest the car's ever been though. So I still haven't washed it from the cruise. And Malibu did experience some rain a couple days, or the night before the cruise. So there's literally mud on PCH. That's why a lot of it was closed down. Ooh, got some nice... Oh man, I'm gonna have a lot of touch-ups to do. Got there, some there, one there. I did tape up the bottom of the bumper, which probably helped a little bit. I got 2 chips right here on top. Yeah, definitely the dirtiest the car has ever been. Moving past this guy, look, it's uncovered. The car cover actually had a tear in it, that's why I took it off. And I do have a new cover for it, but yeah, I figured I'd still need to wash it. Actually, it was a lot dirtier, but it rained in Southern California, so it's cleaner than it was, but yeah, still have some gunk that needs to come off the car. I need to bring it back though. I don't know if I ever showed it, but I do have an NVIDIA exhaust on this car, but I've like never filmed anything with it because the car wasn't running like the day after I installed it. Man, oh man. Yeah, my intake, coil packs, battery hold down. So a lot of my newer subscribers might not know, but so yeah, I do have 3 cars. I have this 2004 STI, I have a 2000 Miata, and then I have that 89 Rocket Bunny S13. This car did used to be my daily driver when I was a junior in college, so I'm now entering my last semester as a senior. So yeah, I used to daily drive this car. Had head gasket problems, so my friend and I, we took the engine apart, did the head gaskets, drove the car for a very brief amount of time before I started having misfiring issues. And then after like 2 days of misfiring issues, I compression tested the engine. Cylinder 4, I want to say, had low compression. Still haven't checked if it's the head or a piston, or it could either be a piston or a valve issue. Still not sure yet. There's Ryan pulling up right now. So yeah, the next thing we do is going to be pulling this engine back apart and probably getting a new short block and then having the heads inspected. But yeah, I do want to get this car running again because this really is my favorite car that I own as far as the driving experience. So yeah, that is next on the list, is fixing this guy.
How's it going?
Have you ever seen this car?
This? Yeah. The Supercar Sunday.
Oh. Okay. Doesn't run.
Yeah, I know. It's got no compression in what, cylinder 4?
Yeah.
That's a pass.
It's usually covered.
Yeah, what were you doing?
The cover was ripped, so I took it off. I have a new cover to put on after I clean up and stuff later on.
This poor car.
I'm gonna be back. Probably have a painted tire too.
Really?
Starting trends. Let's see the bent wheel.
Oh man.
That one?
Yeah. It's bent right here.
Okay, no one's gonna notice that in a picture.
No, yeah, it's not that bad. It was worse before. There was like metal shavings, but
What
driving
happened?
on it, hit a ball hole going like 65 on the 5 freeway.
Big enough to damage?
Yeah, I mean it
Yes.
dented it. It like, it's literally like not supposed to be flat there. So
Oh yeah, I see that.
yeah.
Yeah, you haven't seen that car yet either?
No, I haven't. Not in person at least. She looks sick.
It's really dirty right now. We went on a cruise in Malibu on Sunday.
Oh, with S14. Oh, you got the front bumper all taped up too.
Just the bottom of it.
I didn't even notice that from far away.
Yeah, there's so many chips now.
Welcome to the Rock Chip Club.
Yeah, I put some tape inside that flare a little bit.
Oh, that's smart.
I haven't washed it yet.
This paint looks like really good. Whoever painted your car did fantastic.
Shout out Orange A. There's still some other things to do. Like, I'm gonna have that welded shut, and then this area will have to be repainted.
Oh shit.
There's one on the side.
Still got Christmas lights on it.
Yeah. Still have to replace these. These are just self-tappers right now.
Oh, gotcha. But I remember the bumper.
I took it off.
Why?
Still, like, was the puddle deep enough and where it just like hit the side of the wheel? I don't understand.
I don't know what it was. Rock, pothole, something.
I just can't see that happening on the freeway. It looks messed up from this angle. Is your tire gonna blow up on stunt?
Hopefully not.
Oh boy.
Find out, though.
Okay guys, that's cool.
Oh, it's parked.
That's vehicle version. What are the odds? Okay.
All right.
Why is he at like 3,000 RPM?
Keep your revs up.
Ryan, you're disrupting traffic.
Aww.
Vehicle version's flexing on you.
I'm glad.
I don't understand how you can go to college without your car. Must suck.
I can't. Yeah, they don't allow freshmen to have cars on campus, so I gotta leave it here.
Oh, you are still a freshman.
Yeah.
Are you gonna bring it next semester?
Yeah.
Or next year?
Of course. Probably bring it up and then try and register it up there.
You get hated on for having an automatic?
Yeah, of course.
Should I hate on you?
No, because it's faster than a manual.
Yeah, so?
It's less fun. It's also more reliable.
I don't know.
Yeah.
It's an automatic, so you suck.
Thanks.
It's registered to New Jersey. It's so funny when he has a GoPro on his face. Did you see it like over his,
yeah, it's like in the middle of
forehead?
his nose.
Do something cool.
Do a flip.
Everyone's coming up today. Oh, yeah, that's Vehicle Virgins in a different Ferrari. Okay. You're not running anyone now.
Before it lets off of the collision.
How'd that run go?
Oh yeah.
Bro, it never even left park. The e-brake never even got released.
That was bad timing to say the least.